about the people that you know who are trying to feed